They put nets over their pits. They close their pits. Today, the wind industry is killing at least that many birds, probably more. We don't know. And there is no accountability because they're not required to report these deaths. They have been prosecuted in very rare occasions. But it's this, and the justification is, these birds are going to get hurt by climate change sometime in the future.
Oh, yeah.
You're killing them now because you think it might help in the future. Well, that's just crazy policy. Makes no sense whatsoever.